just back, just opening up these, another couple of cables. It says it's got a 3-year warranty. I don't know what that's, how that's going to work, but INUI, I've got a few things from this company. They seem to be reasonable. This is supposed to be 100 watt as well, USB to USB-C. I can't remember the exact length on these. I think it's 1 point something meters. I'll have a look on the back here. Okay. I'll just open it up. So let's get this open. We'll get them out. These are shorter. I got some longer ones, but this is not the long ones, I don't think. Yeah, if you have, a lot of people have trouble their phones or gadgets charge slowly. If you do, not only look into the size of your power supply, but have a look at the cables, because quite often the cables can be the problem. Okay, well, you can't separate those two. So this is what you get in the box. A little business card. Give them a free plug. Don't know what that does. A user manual. So something to tell you how to plug in your cable. If you need that manual, probably you have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, let's have a look at one of these cables. Actually, it seems like it is the larger one. Let me have a look on the back. Can't see the size. Okay, it's covered up. Anyway, looks like another two. Looks like I've got a few more 2 meter ones. But again, these are quite good. The size of the plastic casing here is reasonable. Some of the ones I've got, they're too big. When you've got a cover on your phone or a cover on a camera, etc., you can't get them in, and if you can't get it in properly, if it's sitting out by 1 millimeter or something, you won't be charging anything. So this cable looks quite good quality. These are said to be 100 watts, so it should be 5 amp. So you should be able to charge pretty much any phone, probably a lot of laptops and things, maybe not some of the brand new ones. It'll still charge them, but you'll only get the 100 watts. I didn't see a data rating. I guess that's why they give you a manual, eh? Maybe. 480 megabits a second. Anyway, yeah, that's what I was going to say, but I thought I'd better just look at it. So this is a longer one too, so this is 2 meter cable. If you look around, if you're not in a rush, I picked up these two, a 2-pack, which was a similar pricing to what you would buy just one for normally. So this one's in black. I'll probably use this more at home rather than when I'm traveling. Only because the black seems to fade into everything, and yeah, it's amazing how you lose things that are camouflaged. But anyway, that's it. INUI cables, looks like they do a decent plug. If I have any trouble, I'll put that in the comments, but I don't envision any. They reckon there's 3-year warranty. I don't know how you go working that out, especially if it's being used. I'd imagine depends on how many cables you've got, but if you're using these all the time, I don't see them lasting 3 years. But anyway, and in 3 years, you need something bigger anyway. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.